Well, hi everybody, and good Tuesday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here. As we move into our Tuesday here, rain chances have pretty much come to an end at this point through, for most of us, for the rest of the work week. There will be some small chances out west later on this week, but we did see some pretty impressive totals over these past several days. Now, first off, one thing I'll also mention is in the Grand Island Hastings area, this is Monday alone, midnight to midnight on Monday. Grand Island and Hastings both set new records for September 25th. Grand Island got an inch 55 of rainfall. Hastings got an inch 64, and that's not including what we had on Sunday as well. But these are your kind of your total rainfall estimated from the radar over the last several days. You can see some heavy totals, and this goes all the way back to Friday night, Saturday, out towards the western part of the viewing area, towards the north central Nebraska. Some places picking up 4 or 5 inches of rainfall. A report of 5.5 inches of rain just west of North Platte. So you can see some pretty good totals out there. Many places 2 to 5 inches of rain down around Phelps, Harlan, Eastern Furnace County. Tri-Cities areas I mentioned probably picking up about an inch or two for the most part. You get into the blue color, that was where places didn't quite pick up an inch of rain. There was also some heavier totals down towards Republic County, Kansas, and then over towards the Lincoln to Beatrice area. Saw some totals up around 3-4 inches of rain overall. Haven't gotten a lot of numbers yet. I'm hoping the National Weather Service will put out some totals from the last several days just to give us an idea of what we've seen so far out there. At least that saves me some work. We'll see. Otherwise, I might have to put in a little extra work to find some of those totals later on today here. So, now moving on. Clouds are still pretty abundant out there this morning. Temperatures in the 40s and 50s. High pressure has moved into the western part of the state. There are actually some chilly 30s out in the panhandle. We'll see some gradual clearing take place as high pressure settles in as we go through the day today. Some places may still see some clouds later this afternoon. Your most favored areas out towards the east. A lot more sunshine out towards the west. We'll continue to clear up the skies this evening, so a little chillier for most of us in the low to mid 40s for lows. Mostly sunny for your Wednesday as temperatures climb mostly into the upper 60s and lower 70s on your Wednesday afternoon, so a nicer day, a little closer to average for this time of the year. Highs today will still be below average, but it will be a nicer one than yesterday. We're looking at mid 60s for the most part in most locations. The quickest areas to clear will be out west. It'll take a little longer the farther east you go. In fact, again, parts of eastern Nebraska still may be mostly cloudy later this afternoon, but at least some clearing will take place. Maybe still a little light drizzle yet this morning in the far east as well around Lincoln Beatrice, but that should clear out pretty quickly, so I'm not expecting much additional precipitation. Lower and even some mid-70s out there for the rest of the work week. Small chances of rain Thursday and Friday out towards the west. We'll get in our small chances in the Tri-Cities area later Friday night through Saturday. Kind of hit or miss light rain showers for the most part. Temperatures do warm up on Sunday ahead of a cold front thanks to a stronger southerly wind. Slight chance of rain and thunderstorms Sunday, especially towards Sunday afternoon. Sunday night looks to be our best chance, though. We'll get a 50% chance of rain and thunderstorms, especially after midnight Sunday night. Some of that may linger into Monday, especially as we get out towards the east, and we'll cool it off a little bit behind that frontal boundary on Monday. So again, we've got some really nice weather here as we go through much of the rest of the week, starting today, but especially by Wednesday through Friday. And even the weekend doesn't look bad, although, again, maybe watching those rain chances as we wrap up the weekend, especially, that's when your better chances of rain will move in. So there's your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. Hope you all have a great Tuesday, and God bless.